Hey everybody, Colin Reed with MarineMax in Charleston here, and today I'd like to show you a new listing of mine. It's a Scout 2021 235 XSF. We have it equipped in the full Scout white hull color, paired nicely with a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Do have the midnight package on this boat, so you're going to have the black handrails here paired nicely with the rails leading up to our hardtop. Then we do have it paired with a black 300 Mercury Verado engine that has 189 hours on it. So pretty lightly used boat. Let's hop inside and check out some of the features. Now that we're on board, I would like to point out the awesome walk-through transom on this 235 paired with the sea deck, so it's not so hard to slip on it. We do have a beautiful lounger here in the back. We'll fold up nice, allow you have more area to operate to fish. Speaking of fishing, we do have an aerated live well right here. You can hook up there to raw water. Also, you could use it as a cooler. We do have fender pros on this boat. This is a nice feature, easy to maneuver fenders whenever you're docking. Flip up bolsters here at the helm. At the helm, we do have an upgraded Edison steering wheel, along with a nice Garmin display, Mercury vessel view display to display all of our engine data, digital throttle and shift from Mercury, trim tabs with LED indicators, our Fusion stereo system that does have upgraded JL audio speakers, battery voltage, toggle switching. Do have USB ports here for any charging we may need, along with a 12-volt plug for any blow-ups that you may need. Mounted compass up front. We do have tea bag storage here. That runs into our rocket launchers up top. So we move into the bow of the boat. Do have some nice storage space down here. Do have our bow shade cover right there. And also our bow cockpit table stores down there as well. Up at the bow, do have a nice, comfortable chase lounge. Easily fit 2 adults here. Nice place to enjoy your boat ride. Corian countertops here, paired with cup holders and non-skid. Do have headrest here, give you the ability to sit and lounge just as the lounger. Also, easily removable and easy to stow away if you want to use this area for fishing. We do have nice storage underneath all the way around. Life jackets can fit in here easily. It is sealed to be made as a cooler or a fish box if you would like. Here's our insert for our bow table that you'll be able to see in the photos. We do have a nice anchor locker. Anchor will come with the boat. And the owner did put an aftermarket Rodan trolling motor on it. It is a 120-pound trolling motor. Thanks for taking a look at this new listing of mine, this 2021 235 XSF from Scout Boats. Price displayed will include the original trailer that came with the boat. If you'd like to check this or anything else out online, please go to MarineMax.com or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.